Fix print quality issues for the HP Envy-Photo 7200 and 7900 all-in-one printer series. After each step in this video, try to print again. If you are still experiencing the same issue, move on to the next step. Step 1. Clean the ink cartridges. On the printer control panel, swipe down to open the dashboard. Select the setup icon. Select Printer Maintenance. Then select Clean Cartridges. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin a cleaning. After cleaning completes, a print quality diagnostic report prints. Examine the print quality diagnostic report. If the print quality is still unacceptable, select Clean again to begin the next level of cleaning. If needed, you can repeat these steps for a third level of cleaning. If the print head is badly clogged, it might require another cycle of the 3 levels of cleaning. If so, wait 30 minutes before you perform all 3 levels of cleaning again. If the print quality is acceptable, select Done. Step 2. Check for ink smears on the back of printouts. If there are smears on the back of your prints, swipe down on the control panel to open the dashboard. Select the setup icon. Select Printer Maintenance. Then select Clean Smear. The printer feeds one page slowly. The printer might make some noise for about 1 minute. Wait until the page is out of the printer before you remove it. Step 3. Check the ink levels. Very low ink levels can cause print quality issues. On the printer control panel, swipe down to open the dashboard. Select the ink icon to view ink levels. Replace any low or empty cartridges. Step 4. Check the paper and print settings. Make sure the paper is appropriate for the print job and in good condition. HP recommends plain paper with color lock technology for text and documents with graphics. For photos, HP recommends HP Advanced Photo Paper. The print settings can also affect the print quality. From the app you are printing from, open the print settings or properties and make sure that the paper type quality matches the paper you are printing on. Step 5. Align the ink cartridges. If there are smears on the back of your prints, swipe down on the control panel to open the dashboard. Select the setup icon. Select Printer Maintenance. Then select Align Cartridges. Select Continue. An alignment page prints. Step 6. Replace the cartridges. If none of the previous steps have helped fix the issue, you might need to replace the ink cartridges. It is recommended that you replace any non-HP or refilled cartridges with genuine HP cartridges. HP cannot guarantee the quality or reliability of non-HP or refilled cartridges. HP supplies are available from the HP store and local retailers. Press the power button to turn on the printer. Open the front door. Lift the cartridge access door. Once the carriage is idle and silent, gently press down on the ink cartridge to disengage it, and then pull the cartridge out of its slot. Remove the new cartridge from the packaging and remove the tape from the cartridge contacts using the pull tab. Caution: do not touch the copper-colored contacts or the ink nozzles on the cartridge. Handling these parts can result in clogs, ink failure, and bad electrical connections. Slide the new ink cartridge into its corresponding slot until it snaps into place. Repeat these steps to replace the other ink cartridge if necessary. When you are finished loading the cartridges, close the cartridge access door. Then close the front door. If none of the steps in this video have helped resolve your issue, contact HP customer support at support.hp.com/contact.